Shweta. So today I'm going to do a very quick makeup tutorial for teenage girls. Hope you liked it, and please do subscribe my channel if you didn't subscribe it, and let's get start the video. So here I'm going to start with a moisturizer. So I'm taking it 1 to 2 pump. Aloe vera gel as a primer. So if you didn't have a primer, so you can apply aloe vera all concealer my blemishes. The foundation for, and I'm going to mix some CC cream also. I'm going to define my eyebrow, and this is the most important thing. You must have to define your eyebrow because it defines your face structure also. Now you can see, and after the differences. And so I'm going to contour my face. For this I'm using this sugar contour palette. So I'm using this brush, and always contour with like this, make the brush like this, because I don't have contouring brush, so I can take this this compact powder my eyelid. I'm using this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, which I bought recently, so I'm trying it for the first time, and I'm going to pick this pink one. Let's hope. color for my eyeliner. Little bit this color on my corner. This Lakme blush. This has two shades, so like this. It's done. So it's done. Last part, mascara. Little bit. So for lips, I'm applying lip balm. Apply this nude shade, but I'm not. So this is it. This is it for today. This is very natural and glowy makeup look. This is completely perfect for a teenage girl. Hope you also liked it, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel also.